Your workspace is about to level up. From modular desks to AI-powered tools, these are the 20 coolest gadgets designed to boost focus, creativity, and efficiency. Whether you're a creator, gamer, or professional on the go, get ready to discover tech that transforms the way you work. Let's dive into the future of productivity. The TobenONE Modular Hub, the world's first all-in-one DIY hub built to adapt to you. Its magnetic modular system lets you mix, match, and snap on the tools you need. No fixed layout, no limits. With 6 interchangeable modules, you can wirelessly charge your phone, expand with USB-C and USB-A ports, control volume with a touch, or set custom shortcuts with the 4-in-1 macro module. Each piece connects with a satisfying magnetic click, transforming your desk into a fully personalized command center. And when technology evolves, you don't replace the hub, you simply upgrade a module. Smart, sustainable, and future-proof, the TobenONE Modular Hub redefines what a workspace can be. Meet the BT22, now upgraded with a powerful new add-on, the Pass-Through Flashlight Module. Equipped with 8 multi-temperature LEDs and a built-in SOS protocol, it delivers a bright, reliable light source at minimal travel weight. The Type-C port on the flashlight keeps all the charging and discharging capabilities intact, so you lose nothing, just gain more versatility. Every BT22 now comes with a 16-centimeter lanyard charging cable, built from a 100% copper core, capable of up to 60 watts of power. Compact, durable, and ready wherever you go. With new eco and small current modes, you get smarter control over power efficiency and temperature. And with a mechanical lifespan of over 5,000 cycles, this charger is built to last. Say goodbye to tangled cords and bulky adapters. Meet the Buckle Keychain Lanyard Cable, a sleek, portable, and powerful solution for fast charging and data transfer, engineered to go wherever you do. This isn't just a cable, it's industrial art. From the 360-degree rotating buckle to its alloy cap protection, every detail is crafted for durability, style, and everyday carry. Clip it to your bag, loop it on your wrist, or slip it in your pocket. It's always ready when you are. Don't let its size fool you. The ZimaBoard 2 is a tiny powerhouse that redefines what a personal server can be. Building on the legacy of the original, it now features PCIe 3.0, dual 2.5 gig Ethernet ports, and dual SATA interfaces, giving you the freedom to expand storage, boost speed, and unlock limitless possibilities. With a mini DP 1.4 port, it delivers stunning 4K visuals, perfect for streaming, editing, or creating. And thanks to its fanless silent design, ZimaBoard 2 turns any space into a cool, clutter-free workspace. Ever try juggling multiple windows on a single laptop while hopping between coffee shops and co-working spaces? Yeah, the struggle is real. That's where Above Origins comes in, with its dual-screen portable monitor. Not one, but 2 stunning 4K displays that fold up like a laptop and travel anywhere you do. Think of it as the mullet of monitors: business in the front, productivity in the back. With Bluetooth 5.2, USB-C, and HDMI ports, it's more connected than your favorite influencer. And with up to 8 hours of battery life, sleek, modern, and effortlessly mobile, the Above Origins dual-screen monitor turns every desk, cafe, or couch into your own portable workstation. Who hasn't looked at their desk and thought, is this an episode of Hoarders? Well, the 4URPC docking station is here to bring order to the chaos. This all-in-one hub handles charging, data transfer, and dual 4K display output, letting you finally say goodbye to cable clutter. Powered by a built-in 160-watt GAN charger, it's like a Swiss Army knife, but for your digital life. And here's the cool part. It features real-time power and resolution readouts, giving you total visibility over every connection, like having your own tech pit crew. So whether you're charging your devices, transferring massive files, or just trying to declutter before your next Zoom call, the 4URPC docking station transforms your desk from a danger zone into a productivity zen garden. Machenike KT84. Step into the future of typing with the Machenike Cyberpunk Keyboard, where performance meets pure style. Its 490-dot pixel display, equivalent to a 6.9-inch screen, lets you create and share custom animations, colors, and effects through the Machenike Open community. Right beside it, a 1.47-inch TFT mini screen keeps you updated with real-time system temps, weather, and RGB controls, all in crystal clarity. Transparent keycaps and 20 dynamic RGB modes bring your desk to life, syncing perfectly with your music for that full cyberpunk vibe. The 84-key compact layout saves 25% more space while keeping full functionality. And yes, every key is hot-swappable, compatible with 3-pin and 5-pin switches for total customization. Program your macros, unleash complex combos, and level up your productivity or gameplay. The Machenike Cyberpunk Keyboard isn't just for typing, it's a portal into the neon future. Corsair. Say hello to the Corsair XZon Edge, a 14.5-inch LCD touchscreen designed to elevate your workspace in ways you didn't think possible. With a crisp 2560 by 720 resolution, every pixel shines with sharp detail, making it perfect for widgets, monitoring tools, or creative displays. It connects effortlessly through HDMI or USB-C DP alt mode, ensuring seamless compatibility across all your devices. The magnetic stand and backplate lets you mount it horizontally or vertically, a perfect fit for any setup. And with a 5-point touchscreen, you get intuitive control over apps, system stats, and even games. Plus, with IQE integration, you can personalize layouts, track performance metrics, and style your display exactly how you like it. Sleek, versatile, and incredibly smart, the Corsair XZon Edge isn't just a screen, it's the command center your workspace deserves. Nia Create. Work smarter, type better, and stay comfortable with the Nia Create, an ergonomic keyboard built for professionals who live behind the keys. Its split and tented design offers up to 27 degrees of natural angle, reducing wrist strain without bulky wrist rests. The columnar key layout follows your finger's natural motion, while sculpted low-profile keycaps make every keystroke faster, smoother, and more precise. With fully customizable controls, you can remap keys, assign macros, and personalize lighting, all stored right on the board. And thanks to hot-swappable switches, you can choose the typing feel you love – linear, tactile, or clicky. Pair it wirelessly through Bluetooth or low-latency RF, or plug in via USB-C for instant response. Elegant, modular, and built for endurance, the Nia Create isn't just a keyboard, it's your ultimate tool for productivity and comfort. Electric sit-stand desk. Your desk should adapt to you, not the other way around. Meet the Domitree ALT, a 10-in-1 electric sit-stand desk that redefines how you work, create, and play. With height adjustment from 28 to 47 inches, hidden storage, and modular snap-on accessories, it's built to keep your space clean, organized, and inspiring. Whether you're crafting the ultimate RGB gaming setup, organizing tools in a creative workshop, or designing your personal vanity station, Domitree ALT makes it your own. Switch between sitting and standing to boost focus, improve posture, and stay energized. Stylish, smart, and endlessly customizable, the Domitree ALT is more than a desk, it's your creative ecosystem. Imagine a workspace free from cable chaos and low battery anxiety. With the JSD wireless charging system, you stay powered, focused, and ready all day long. At the heart of it all is the JSD charging mat, featuring 2 dedicated zones and a massive 580 cm² surface.
Its high-frequency electromagnetic resonance keeps your JSD keyboard and mouse charged even while you work. No interruptions, no dead batteries. The Q-Zone powers your phone, headphones, or any Q-enabled device effortlessly. Pair it with the JSD Ergonomic keyboard and mouse designed for comfort, precision, and fatigue-free performance, and a 30W GAN adapter that completes your fast setup. Built on years of ergonomic research, the 79-key Kris layout minimizes hand travel, boosting speed and efficiency. Sleek, seamless, and completely wireless, the JSD system transforms your desk into a true zone of focus and freedom.
Gisu Life. The Gisu Life 100 Speed Storm Fan, a compact beast with power that blows past expectations. Armed with a 43,000 RPM Ultra motor, it delivers wind speeds up to 17 meters per second. With its intuitive scroll wheel, you can fine-tune airflow from gentle breeze to full-blown storm mode. Just press and hold for 3 seconds and unleash all 100 speeds. The Mini Proka, the world's first all-in-one mini PC that packs power, portability, and precision into the palm of your hand. Featuring a built-in 7-inch multi-touch display and powered by the AMD Ryzen 9 6900HX with Radeon RX 68M graphics, it delivers desktop-level performance wherever you go. Whether you're editing, gaming, or creating on the move, Mini Proka gives you the freedom to work from a cafe, a plane seat, or your living room effortlessly. With dual-channel DDR5 RAM and PCIe 4.0 SSD storage, it blazes through multitasking and data-heavy workloads, offering up to 32 GB RAM and 2 TB storage options for total flexibility. Every touch on its crystal-clear 7-inch screen is smooth, intuitive, and built for creators who demand more from their setup. Compact, powerful, and endlessly versatile, the Mini Proka Mini PC redefines what's possible when performance meets portability. Meet the Aloe Plasma Lamp, where art, science, and serenity converge. Inside its sleek glass orb, a floating plasma ring glides in mesmerizing motion, creating a calm, ambient glow that transforms any space. Unlike traditional plasma globes with chaotic flickers, Aloe's xenon-powered plasma ring remains stable and elegant, a soothing dance of light that feels alive yet tranquil. Tap the orb or use a magnetic tool to interact with its gentle plasma flow, each movement creating a unique, living work of art. Whether you place it in your living room, bedroom, or workspace, Aloe adds a warm, sophisticated glow that invites you to unwind and simply watch the light breathe. More than a lamp, it's a visual meditation, a statement of elegance, and a reminder that beauty can be both calm and electric. Pock Combo. DELUX PockCombo, the world's most portable keyboard and mouse combo designed for professionals who work anywhere, anytime. This minimalist powerhouse combines a foldable keyboard, a 2-in-1 sliding mouse, and a multifunctional case that transforms into both a mousepad and a desk stand, all in a device small enough to slip into your pocket. With multi-device Bluetooth connectivity, Pock Combo connects to up to 3 devices simultaneously, letting you switch between your laptop, tablet, and phone with a single tap. The sliding mouse doubles as a presentation controller, giving you effortless slide navigation and precision control. Perfect for meetings, travel, and hybrid work setups. Compatible with Windows, iOS, and Android, and crafted for maximum efficiency, the DELUX PockCombo transforms any surface into your personal workspace wherever productivity calls. Sound Blaster Re. Creative, the legendary brand behind the iconic Sound Blaster, is back, and it's reimagining the future of sound and control. Introducing the Creative Reimagine Hub, a modular, all-in-one audio command center built for creators, streamers, and audiophiles. Think of it as a stream deck for your sound, featuring customizable buttons, dials, sliders, and touchscreens you can mix, match, and rearrange to fit your workflow.
Packed with USB-C, mic, line-in, optical ports, and even a built-in DAC and amp, it can power studio-grade speakers while seamlessly routing audio between your devices. No cable juggling required. Running on Linux with 8 cores, 8 GB RAM, and Wi-Fi 6, it's more than a hub. It's a full creative platform, complete with AI assistants, an AI DJ, and even a retro DOS emulator for gaming nostalgia. Fully programmable, endlessly customizable, the Creative Reimagine Hub isn't just a revival, it's a revolution in how you create, control, and connect. SplitVue. Experience crisp, vivid visuals anywhere with the SplitVue Dual Monitor, where performance meets portability. With 400 nits of brightness, every detail stays sharp and visible, whether you're in a dim studio or under bright sunlight. Its low blue light filter and flicker-free display keep your eyes comfortable through long creative sessions, helping you work smarter, longer. A built-in 65-watt USB-C pass-through charging system keeps your laptop and gear powered all day, while the 6-in-1 docking hub, featuring dual HDMI, USB-C, and USB 3.0 ports, simplifies your entire setup. At just 0.91 inches thick, SplitVue is one of the slimmest dual displays ever built, portable, powerful, and ready for any workspace. Switch to full 43-inch cinematic mode, and your workstation transforms into a personal theater with breathtaking 2K or 4K visuals and immersive sound. Work, create, or unwind. The SplitVue Dual Monitor makes every moment sharper, brighter, and beautifully seamless.